Maybe you're confused about Canva photo editing features. In the beginning, when I started using Canva, I was too. So to help you out with that, today we will cover a small portion of photo editing features like filtering, cropping, rotating, blurring, and a couple more. Image enhancer. That's a good feature if you need to fix low lighting, adjusting the contrast, or increase color intensity by boosting the saturation. Guys, you know the drill. Upload your image, click on Edit Photo, go to Adjust, and move the brightness, contrast, and saturation sliders to achieve your desired visual aesthetics. Circle crop. Crop photos into a circle without the fuss using frames. Let's go to Element section. In the search bar, type in frames. Under See More, you can choose whichever frame you want, but for this example, I will use the circle one. Crop images. To crop images in Canva is very simple. Select your image, edit photo, find this crop icon. You can choose from any of provided aspect ratios or apply your custom ratio. Also, there is a rotation option available if you need it. Blur effect. If you need to blur your image, you can do that under Edit Photo, under Effects, find Blur, and adjust the intensity. Another cool effect Canva offers is autofocus. We need to follow the same steps we did with blurring. Go to Edit Photo, and under Effects, find autofocus. I like this effect because it's 2-in-1. You can regulate blur intensity and choose a focus position. Mirror images. Want to put creative spin on your photos? Then mirror your images vertically or horizontally and then use them as a social media content or printed design. Let's copy the image, then click on Flip. I need to flip it horizontally and afterwards blend them together. Thank you guys, that was all for today. If you liked the video, click the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.